Why command line scripts matter.
Command line automation scripts help save time by automating repetitive computer tasks. For tech professionals and learners alike, mastering these scripts means less manual work and more focus on important projects. Whether you're managing files, installing software, or processing data, automation can boost your productivity and reduce errors.
Common tasks you can automate.
Command line scripts can handle tasks like sorting files, backing up data, scheduling regular updates, or converting documents. By automating these routines, you avoid repetitive typing and ensure that every step is performed the same way, every time. Even simple scripts can lead to big efficiency gains in your daily workflow.
Popular script languages to get started.
Some of the most widely used scripting languages for command line automation are Bash, PowerShell, and Python. Bash is standard on Linux and Mac, PowerShell on Windows, and Python works across all systems. Each language offers powerful tools for automating everything from small tasks to complex workflows.
Learning resources and first steps.
To get started, many online tutorials and free courses cover the basics of command line scripting. Experiment with automating simple actions like renaming files or moving folders. As you grow more confident, try more advanced automation projects, or join coding communities to learn new approaches from other users.
The career benefits of automation skills.
Developing command line automation skills makes you a more resourceful and effective tech professional. Employers value the ability to streamline processes and solve problems efficiently. Automation scripting not only boosts your productivity, but also opens doors to advanced roles in system administration, DevOps, and software development.